Alright guys, I'm on another part of the West Branch Conococheague. I'm allowed to fish here as long as I'm walking. I've never been to this part. Looks pretty wooded. I'm gonna walk in here and see what we can catch. See what water I can get to. Maybe I'll be wading, who knows. Oh, yeah, a little smallie. Come on, bud. Pretty little guy. Here, another little smallie. I got off. Oh, I got something. I think it might be a largemouth. Yeah. Yeah, a little largemouth. Wow. See you, bud. Man, I love just being out here exploring new parts of the creek. You never know what you're gonna come across. You might end up in a deep area where you can't cross. Oh, I just missed something. Well, I got a smallie. Come on, buddy. Yeah, a little smallie. Fuck good. Somebody put a stinking carp in the Y of that tree. I don't know why anybody would do anything like that, but all of a sudden the wind changed and I got a whiff of something. And I think that's it. Thought I'd catch more in this deeper water. I don't think I've caught anything. Oh yeah, I got something. What is this? Oh, I think it's a largemouth. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, heck yeah. Oh yeah, we'll take him. Got you, buddy. Man, I barely had him hooked. Yeah. Yeah, probably 11-inch largemouth. I'll take him. Yeah. See you, bud. Oh. Check this out. I'd say at one time there was some beavers here. You can definitely see where it was all chewed up and then fell. That's cool. Alright guys, well, I'm back in the car. That was a neat little spot. Never fished there before. Deep water back in there. A subscriber actually mentioned this area to me, so I figured I'd give it a shot. It was kind of neat to catch some largemouth in the creek. But alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.